In this video, third video relating to dissolution of partnership firm, we will discuss about realization account. Now, when the firm is dissolved, the books of accounts are closed. All the assets will be closed and transferred to a newly opened account known as realization account. In the same manner, all the liabilities, that is external liabilities, will be transferred to the realization account. In case of assets, except cash, bank balance and fictitious assets, all the assets are transferred. Okay, and in case of liabilities, it is the external liabilities which will be transferred to the realization account. To find out the profit or loss on realization of assets and payment of liabilities, which will be transferred to the partner's capital account in profit sharing ratio. Profit or loss on realization will be transferred to the partner's capital in profit sharing ratio. Okay, I am repeating. All assets other than cash, bank balance and fictitious asset and all external liabilities are transferred to realization account. Then the realization account will record the sale of assets, the amount realized, and the payment for the settlement of liabilities will be recorded. Then the balance in the realization account after all the settlement, after all the sale of assets, the balance will be either profit or loss on realization of assets and payment of liabilities. That is, the balance left in the realization account will be the profit or loss on realization, and it will be transferred to the partner's capital in profit sharing ratio. Okay, realization account is prepared. All assets other than cash, bank balance and fictitious asset and all external liabilities are transferred to realization account. The sale of assets will be recorded, the payment of liabilities and realization expense will be recorded. The balance, that is the profit or loss, will be transferred to the partner's capital account in profit sharing ratio. This is the format of realization account. Okay, now as said, all the assets from the balance sheet will be transferred. No, all the assets have a debit balance, so while closing them, the assets account individually will be credited and realization account will be debited. So on the debit side of realization, all the assets will appear. Okay, land, plant and machinery, furniture, fitting, individually they will be transferred to realization account. In the same manner, the liabilities which were having a credit balance will be debited and realization will be credited. That's why on the credit side of realization, all the liabilities will appear from the balance sheet. Okay, then depending upon the information, the assets will be realized in cash or the partners will take the assets. Okay, so if the assets are sold, so it will be by cash, by bank, and if partners are taking, then by partners capital account for the assets. Okay, assets sold or assets taken over by partners. In the same manner, if liabilities are paid, so it will be to cash. If partners are taking the liabilities, it will be to partners capital account. Okay, then the difference between the credit side and the debit side will be the profit or loss. If credit side is more, then profit will be there, and if debit side is more, in that case loss will be there, which will be transferred to the partner's capital account in the profit sharing ratio. I am repeating. Okay, all the assets appearing in the balance sheet having a debit balance will be credited and realization account will be debited. So on the debit side, all the assets will appear. In the same manner, liabilities which were having credit balances will be transferred to the credit of realization account as sundry creditors, bills payable, overdraft, outstanding expenses will be debited. Okay, okay, then as per the informations, I am repeating everything. Okay, The assets sold will be by cash, because cash is coming in, cash will be debited and realization will be credited. If partner is taking, partner's capital will be debited, realization will be credited. And for settlement of liabilities, if cash is paid, so realization account will be debited, cash will be credited. And if any partner is taking the liability, partner's capital will be credited. Okay. Now the journal entries relating to the realization account. Now see the first one, as we discussed, no, it is relating to the transfer of assets. Okay. The last first pay attention to the last journal entry. Assets individually will be credited because they were having a debit balance. To close their accounts, assets account individually will be credited and they are transferred to the realization account. So realization account will be debited, assets account are credited. Okay. Now keep few things in mind. The gross value of sundry debtors will be transferred to realization account. Provision will be transferred to the credit side of realization account. Don't transfer the net amount. In the same manner, fixed assets will also be transferred at gross value and their provisions will be transferred to the credit of realization account. Okay. Cash, bank and fictitious assets account are not closed. Other than that, all the assets are transferred to the realization at their book value. Okay. Book value. Keep this thing in mind. For transfer of liabilities, all the external liabilities including provisions, okay, liabilities have a credit balance, so to close them individually, liabilities account will be debited, debtors account will be debited, bills payable account will be debited, loan from bank will be debited. Okay. And realization account will be credited. For sale of assets, when assets are sold, cash is coming in and asset account is transferred to realization account. So instead of crediting asset, we will credit realization account. Bank account will be debited as cash is received and realization account will be credited. Okay. If a partner is taking over the assets, so instead of bank being debited, we will debit the partner's capital account. Okay. In the previous entry, when cash was realized on the sale of asset, it was bank to realization account. Here partner is taking, so partner's capital account debit to realization account. Okay. For payment of liabilities, payment is going out, so bank account will be credited, realization account debit to bank account. You know, when cash is coming in, bank will be debited and realization will be credited. When payments are going out for settlement of liabilities, realization account will be debited and bank account will be credited. If any liability is taken over by a partner, okay, he takes the responsibility to discharge the liability. In that case, realization account debit to partner's capital account. Transfer of asset to settle liabilities. If a liability is settled by making transferring asset and it is in full settlement, then no entry will be passed. But if any cash is paid extra, then realization to cash will be there. Okay. I am reading that again. If a creditor to whom amount is due may accept an asset in part or full settlement. If it is in part settlement, then whatever balance cash is paid, it will be recorded. But if it is in full settlement, no entry will be passed. Okay. Now this underlined point is very important. The amount of asset, for that the entry will not be passed, because the liability is also transferred to realization and asset is also transferred to realization account, so they are mutually cancelled. For realization of any unrecorded asset, if any unrecorded asset is there, amount is received, bank will be debited and realization will be credited. Okay. Cash is coming in, so bank will be debited, it's a gain, so realization will be credited. Okay. For settlement of unrecorded liability, opposite of the previous entry, realization to bank. For payment of realization expense, okay, here if the firm is making the payment, in that case it will be realization account debit to bank, okay. And if any partner is making the payment on behalf of firm, then realization account debit to partners capital account. And if the expenses are to be borne by the partner and if he is making the payment, then no entry will be passed. That we will discuss later on. For transfer of fictitious asset, if any, then partners capital account debit to fictitious asset account, okay. Like reserves are transferred, no. And for payment of loan due to partners, partners loan account debit to bank account, okay. And if any balance is left, in that case partners capital account debit to bank account, okay. If any loss or profit is there, it will be transferred to partners capital account. So realization account debit to partners capital account. If there is loss, it will be partners capital account debit to realization account. And for transferring of reserves, it will be general reserve or reserve fund account debit to partners capital account, okay.